Frank Sinatra once said, if you want to be somebody, buy a Ferrari. If you are somebody, buy a Lamborghini. We're here in Connecticut to show you guys Lamborghini Greenwich. Let's check it out. So we're here today with Kevin Stevens, who's going to tell us all about this insane showroom they have in Greenwich, Lamborghini, and these incredible, incredible cars. So Kevin, Greenwich, Lamborghini. We see the McLarens, the Ferraris, the Bentleys, but Lamborghini in Greenwich, this insane showroom. Tell us a little bit about the history of the showroom and what's gone on.
Well, the showroom's been here for about 2 years now.
Okay.
We just opened. As you can see, it's beautiful. You're in Greenwich, You're surrounded by almost every exotic car company that you can find.
Yes.
Right? Lamborghini had to be here. The showroom is immaculate. As you can see, we have Huracans, Urus Perfomantes, a little bit of everything for everyone.
So living in Greenwich has its own lifestyle, but a Lamborghini owner and the Greenwich lifestyle, what is a Lamborghini Greenwich lifestyle?
That's a great question, because this isn't just a car, it is a lifestyle. We only make about 9,000 cars a year worldwide. So now you're a part of a small clique of people that have this amazing machine. The Greenwich lifestyle is luxury, performance, and styling, and that's really what the lifestyle is.
I mean, they're sports cars. I mean, high-end machines, but they are also showstoppers. They're unmistakable driving down the street, and especially here in Greenwich. So we have 4 unbelievably beautiful luxury sports cars. Let's learn a little bit about what you have here in the showroom. First off, is there anyone here that's your favorite?
My favorite would actually be the STO in the line of Huracans.
Okay, so these are all Huracans.
These are all Huracans. So just different versions. So as you can see right here, we have our Huracan Coupe. So this is a Huracan all-wheel drive Evo Coupe. Then we have our Huracan STO Coupe, which is absolutely amazing.
Now what's the difference being that that's an STO and that's an Evo?
So now the STO is basically it's our street legal race car.
It's a street legal race car.
Okay. Right. The amount of carbon fiber on this car, it's about 75% carbon fiber.
Okay.
All right, 25% titanium. It's geared towards ultimate performance on the racetrack.
Got it. Driving wise, how does this differ as far as feel from the OVOs? Evo?
You're gonna have a stiffer suspension.
Yeah.
And you're gonna feel that wing in the back.
Okay.
It's more geared towards racing. It's a racing inspired vehicle. Your carbon fiber doors. Everything in this car is set for weight reduction. Then right over here, we have our Huracan Evo Spider. Now, this is a rear wheel drive car.
Oh, this is nice.
Yes. This is your springtime. They hear you, they see you before you even know it. So everybody has their own story when they're coming in to buy a Lamborghini. And you know, once they're driving, it really comes out, and you know, people really get emotional when they're driving these cars. Yeah. They do. Yeah. A lot of our clients are all returning clients because they love how they're treated. They return their cars to us. They order their next car and the next car, and that's how we want to maintain it.
The seats are heated?
You do have heated seats.
Because my
feel it?
Is warm. It is toasty.
Right here we have our brand new 2023 Urus Perfomante. This is one of the first Perfomantes that we have in the dealership. Brand new to Lamborghini, more sports inspired than the current Urus. So it adds more horsepower, more sports oriented, coilover suspension, so it sits a little bit lower.
So it's a little bit more, it has more of the luxuries to it?
It has more luxuries. This one you actually have massage seats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have heated, ventilated, and massage seats.
Awesome. This is your family version if you want to go out.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
This is the family Greenwich Lamborghini lifestyle.
100%.
Yeah, because I don't think I can stick my 5- and 7-year-old in the back of the EVOs, but this will work. So this is awesome though. This is like an interactive kiosk here where you can actually design your own Lamborghini right here.
Yeah, so this is their Lamborghini configurator. Envision your car before you order it. So it has a nice vision, nice view, so you can actually see it. And if you know, Lamborghini did a great job of actually pinpointing what the colors look like for your car.
Right. So this car, specifically here, this STO, this is a sticker price of what, 450,000?
449,000.
449,000. What do we have up here?
Up here we have our ad personam studio.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, you have your leather swatches, your sample color swatches of what can be done to your car. You see your carbon fiber swatches. In the cars downstairs, you've seen the forged composites.
Yeah.
Right. Also, you've seen the dry carbon. Now, you have your rims for the cars. This is your color palettes, which I love.
I like that one. Well, of course, right?
Right.
Shocker.
Everyone always goes to that
Shocker,
first.
right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Which one do you like?
And my favorite would actually be the
Nice.
Blue Azure.
Oh,
You
that's
know,
nice.
It's a nice pearl color, and when you see this on a car, it absolutely looks stunning. You see how it's angled?
Yeah.
So you can see it at different angles with different sunlights, how the car will look. So this is our accessory originality. This, you can see your V8 carbon fiber engine covers, your carbon fiber mirror covers. And then in here,
Wow.
you have your brake caliper color samples, also your center lock color samples.
So today we learned all about the Lamborghini Greenwich lifestyle, the amazing cars that are here, and this showroom and location. I want to thank Kevin. You were awesome.
Thank you.
Where can people find you, get a hold of you if they want to learn a little bit more about Lamborghini Greenwich?
You can go to LamborghiniGreenwich.com. I welcome everyone to come to the dealership. You can always call us, schedule an appointment.
I want to thank Lamborghini Greenwich again for the opportunity to show everybody out there this amazing showroom here in Greenwich. And everybody, ladies and gentlemen, Mike Ferraro, till next time, take care.